Pretty awesome and awesome. Pretty awesome. Hello there, and welcome to our humble abode. I just moved into my brand new home. I'm super excited, I'm super pumped on it, and I've been waiting to make the house tour video since the day we closed in on this. This is Mila, she's our guard dog. She's gonna be with us. She's today's guest. Without further ado, it's noisy out there because it is a new build community, so come on in, come check it out. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. So it's decent size. I think it's 2,300 square feet or somewhere around there. But yeah, it's been plenty for me, my girlfriend, and my little puppy, so it's been great so far. We're gonna dive in with the very first room, which is by far my favorite room in the whole house probably, and that's the office. So come check it out. This is my office. For a lot of you guys who maybe know or maybe don't know, I kind of work from home, kind of don't. When I'm not actually selling pest control during the summer, all I'm doing is taking recruiting calls and hiring and training. And so I do basically all that from here. Also, I'm kind of a tech nerd, so I love tech, so I have a lot of like random gadgets and speakers and monitors and all that, but this is my office, my favorite spot in the whole house probably. Do got the PS5, I do play some Warzone 2 with my boys. But yeah, this is the office. This is where probably I spend 75% of my time in the house, 100% of the time in here when I'm working. So it's pretty nice. If we come around here, it does have a full closet, which is kind of nice. It's a walk-in, so all of my cameras, lights, monitors, tripods, all that stuff, I could throw in here, which is pretty awesome. Also, random side note, this thing might be one of the greatest things I've ever purchased. When you're sitting at your desk, if you guys have a desk, you put that on your feet and you just plop your feet on it. It's one of the best things I've ever bought. So highly recommend. But yeah, that's the office, by far probably one of my favorite spots of the whole house. But let's keep going, shall we? This is guest bedroom number 1. Pretty simple. I really don't spend any time in here. They also have nice closets. This is where we hide our Christmas tree, which is cool. But really the whole point of this room is for guests. Obviously it's a guest bedroom. Also, we have to keep the doors locked because Milo will go into the bed and chew everything. So yeah, that's guest bedroom number 1. This is guest bath number 1. Like I said, it's 3 full baths, which is actually really nice. Just single sink. It has a full shower tub. I would say I don't spend a lot of time in here, but I actually do because my office is right there, and you know, it's the closest bathroom. So sometimes I get caught up in here. But anyway, we just got this actually hung up today. This is a world map. Yeah, this is our map we just got hung today. So that's the first half of the house. This is kind of the primary guest bedroom, if you will. But first we'll go in the primary guest bath. So this one's a little bit more tucked away. A little bit smaller counter, and it has the shower tub as well and the toilet. That's all you need in here. I don't really spend a lot of time in here. This is guest bedroom number 3. I'm trying to convince my lovely girlfriend to let me turn this into a poker room. So if you see over here for Christmas, I got a really nice poker table that I don't really know where to put right now. I do play quite a bit of poker, and I would love to have a poker room because I do run a poker night at my house every week with the boys, and I think it'd be sick to have a poker room, but I don't think I'm gonna be allowed to. So for now, we're just gonna keep the poker table there. Same kind of deal with the closets, just like, they're pretty decent sized closets for guest closets, I guess, but I mean, I don't know, I don't use them. So but yeah, this is guest bedroom number 2, and now let's get into the really cool part of the house. So follow me, props to my lovely girlfriend. You can see our photos are on the wall. And this is the kind of main entry of the home. So when you walk in, you can see it's very open, lots of windows, super bright. I think it's beautiful. We love it. I guess we'll start with the kitchen. So if we walk in straight to the kitchen, I mean, I don't know, it's just a normal kitchen. Pretty simple. We have a dishwasher. So if you've ever lived in Hawaii or went to school in Hawaii, dishwashers, air conditioning units, stuff like that is actually something you take for granted. So to have it here is very nice and very refreshing. Nice big center island, a big tub. Yeah, I don't know, it's just a kitchen. So we cook in here. This is our pantry. Honestly, this is kind of a flex, bring it in here. Let's just say Mal keeps it stocked. So if that's not pantry goals, I don't know what is. Over here, we got a little espresso machine. I am kind of a coffee guy, so that's nice. You know you're getting old when you actually get excited about like fridges and stuff. This is a new build. It didn't come with a fridge, so we got this fridge, and it's kind of awesome. On our center island, we have 4 bar stools, which is cool. Like I said, we didn't think we would be hosting that much, but we've been in here for only like a month or 2, and I've hosted a party with like 40 people, Thanksgiving with like 30 people. We've had multiple people stay and sleep over, family members, so we've hosted a lot in just like the little time that we've been here, and it's been really good. And the open floor plan, the windows, the glass, the backyard really helps a lot, which we'll get into. But yeah, it's been really good. So over here we have a dining room table. I actually originally had this in my first home, and then we brought it here. And then kind of walking in, this is the living room. So this space is pretty awesome. Honestly, originally I had this love seat over here. Everybody and their mother told me I needed to keep this open so you could see the backyard. So we ended up getting these 2 chairs to kind of fill it in. But yeah, it's a pretty awesome living room. Very open, very simple, very sweet. This is my pride and joy right here. I splurged on like a legit TV. This thing was not cheap, but it is awesome. It's like one of the 5K LG OLEDs. It's insane. This puppy's thin, so this TV is the real deal. I don't really watch TV, I just watch YouTube, but I guess it's nice to have that. While we're in this space, instead of going to the master, we're gonna rotate into the backyard because we have these big, beautiful sliding glass doors, which are awesome. And the backyard is something that I am super pumped about. I'll throw up a picture here. The house originally started, it's a new build, like I said, so it just had a dirt lot. Now, as you can see, it's had a total transformation, and by far, my favorite part of the whole place. Also, what's great is you have these sliding glass doors, and what's great about these sliding glass doors is we have hosted a bunch, so it's so nice to just open this up. It's also in Arizona, the weather's pretty good, so it's pretty nice. Sliding glass door, you can't beat that. You can't beat that, bro. Let's take a peek. This is the backyard. We got the turf done by one of my buddies who's super good. Got the whole thing done. Like I said, I'll throw up a picture so you can see it. We got the putting green over here. I played a little bit of college golf, so those are rolling 11s. If you know what that means, you know they're quick, so the putting green's nice. We were gonna do a pool, but we ended up not doing a pool yet. We're gonna wait a year. So for now, we ended up just putting this kind of pad in here just to kind of break up the yard a little bit with these steps that look super good. And then just some patio furniture. We got the cornhole in the back. We got the little golf game. I don't know what that's called. Just look at this. Look at this vibe back here. You can't beat it. It just looks so good. We ended up getting like this white marble, which you can see, which looks so good. And then over here, besides those little patio chairs and umbrella, which is super nice. I also took this from my first house as well, just some classic patio furniture. This place is awesome, but it gets better. Keep coming. Pretty awesome. It's our little side yard. So the cool part about this house is not only, and also timeout. Look how good these pavers look, and they're all centered. Look at it from that angle.
Good job, Kyle. Apex Turf.
Yeah, it looks really good. So the cool part about this house too is these lots aren't massive, but we still have a good yard because we have all this side yard. And then the best part is too, these sliders, as you guys saw by the kitchen, they also open all the way. It just makes the house so open. It looks so good. And this side yard has been awesome. This is where we have our grill over here. We have a heater. We got like this table here, which you can kind of eat at. But yeah, not bad. The pavers, like I said, are beautiful. Probably the backyard is top 2 favorite parts about this house. Now, let's dive into the master bedroom, shall we? So this is the master bedroom. It is a bigger bedroom for sure. Yeah, I don't know. It's a bedroom. If you can tell, most of this really wasn't my design. It was my girlfriend's. Yeah, here, quick tip for you guys. If you ever want to go get a dresser, don't go to Restoration Hardware unless you want to pay thousands of dollars for chunks of wood that probably aren't worth thousands of dollars. But if you have a girlfriend who loves it, do it. This is Mila's crate. So she is still not like super trained yet, so when we leave we put her in her little crate.
You don't need to point out every little bit of decor that is in the house.
But I like to, it's fun. So cute. I never thought I'd be one of those dog owners, but I totally am now. The one piece of decor I did pick out were the doggy stairs. I got these because Mila has little legs, so she needs to be able to crawl up into our bed. The bathroom is pretty awesome. So this is just the bath. It's I don't know. Bathroom, I don't really know. In here we have the toilet room, so just your basic toilet room. And then our closet, PSA, okay? We just got back from a trip and we're leaving again, so our closet's crazy. So I'll give you a little sneak peek, but not too much. So this is our closet. So in our closet, this is the little chunk that I get, and then all of that is the chunk that she gets. It's super, super even how much room we both get. I'll briefly show you the laundry room and the garage, and then that's basically the crib, so we love it. Just got back from a trip and we're leaving again, so the laundry room's a little crazy.
Clean laundry.
But yeah, this is all clean laundry, but yeah, it's just a basic laundry room. I don't really spend too much time in here. And then we got the garage. My one flaw about this house is our garage is a little small, and my Tesla is like, she's thicker than I thought, and so she's wide. And with Mal's car too, it's kind of like, basically it's a tight fit in here, okay? But nonetheless, it's a 2-car garage. It's empty right now because the cars are out front because we were cleaning, but Yeah, it's pretty simple. Nice garage. It's a garage. So that's basically the whole house. Like I said, it's still fairly new. We have a lot of wall decorations we have to do and hanging stuff, but I'd say it's about 80% done. But I really wanted to show you because I love watching these videos, and so I really wanted to post my own. But I'm feeling super blessed, super grateful. We love this place. We're in a nice little community, so we've had a blast here. We love the backyard. It's perfect for us and our little family. So without further ado, that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.